Welcome to MadZone, where every moment on the road is full of surprises and attention-grabbing action. In today's video, you'll see an Infinity collide with a BMW, a truck tipping over on a curb, a Kia jumping over an ATM, and a Camaro losing a wheel during a Cars and Coffee event. Each scenario is a gentle reminder to stay focused and cautious while driving. Enjoy the video and always drive safely. Goodness, giving way to the impatient, the tanker got a one-way ticket to the field. The truck flipped, and the van swerved like a ninja to avoid the crash. An unplanned but perfect coordination. I guess the wind was so strong today the cow decided to take off. Came to Cars and Coffee to show off the car, ended up showing off the axle. Next time, try attaching it to the windshield wipers for the full set. Even on familiar roads, unexpected events involving animals can still happen. Driving isn't a puzzle game. Don't let your cars stack up on the road. Green doesn't always mean safe, but red always means stop. When the lorry decided on roof delivery, the car underneath definitely didn't order it. An unexpected accident, thanks to two horses deciding to jog on the highway. What was meant to be a quick Macus run came with a live-action drift show at the intersection. Almost turned my truck into a moose rest stop. Luckily, the passing car's lights warned me just in time. Three cars decided to meet right in the middle of the highway. One swerved left, another swerved right, and they ended in a not-so-romantic hug. When the truck's door decides to say hello to the oncoming windshield a bit too aggressively. Two four-legged racers decided to switch the track to the highway, making the police speed up to catch them. This isn't demolition, this is self-demolition. A sudden turn so wild, the roadside ditch was surprised to host an entire bus. When a carriage met a car, everyone had to give way, yet a minor collision happened. This happened not sure if it was loss of control or testing a new runway for KI.
So funny. How did I?
What were they discussing that made a car come right into the cafe? Sudden speed changes and lane drifting, this expander looked like it was playing who can stay awake the longest with itself. The crash was like a high jump attempt, without the bar. A 300 kg rock fell like a blow from the sky, knocking the car into a ditch. Luckily, the driver escaped unharmed. The The truck's scrape turned the fancy Land Rover into an unexpected convertible edition. Thankfully, it was just property damage. A parking attempt gone very wrong left the Super One store in Columbia Falls looking like it had just survived a storm of shattered glass and scattered goods. On Interoceanica Avenue, a gray car hit a taxi, triggering a chain collision with the car in front.
Happened to be a couple of horses that hopefully nobody.
Oh, God!
When the GPS says head straight to your destination and you take it, a bit too literally. When you finally arrive on time and decide to make it the company's biggest event. Thought he was smarter than the GPS, but ended up face to face with a downhill truck. When hard braking turns into an unplanned figure skating routine. Containers weighing tons must be securely fastened, especially when turning at intersections. Just guessing how much the motor weighs? Looks like the K-Maz got a little too enthusiastic today. What would have happened if the truck hadn't swerved in time? Luckily, everyone is safe. Only the bread got hurt. Maybe the driver just wanted to spice up the trip, but went a bit too far. ignoring the traffic lights, turned the intersection into a scene of chaos. Don't slam the brakes unless it's truly needed. There might be a whole line of vehicles behind you. For unknown reasons, the Volvo veered into the wrong lane and collided head-on with a truck. A scene that shocked everyone. Keep steady control and a safe speed. 1 second of losing control can change everything. Keep a safe speed when taking curves on the freeway to avoid losing control. The tunnel suddenly turned into a racetrack as the truck slid sideways in dramatic fashion. Just one dangerously close cutoff, and the Mazda lost control, hit the barrier, lost a wheel, and sent construction materials spilling across the highway. Maybe the driver tried a truck-style drift, but went a bit too far. Luckily, the crash between the semi and the fire engine left everyone unharmed. Oh my, the garbage truck hit an overpass and burst into flames like an action movie scene. The truck tipped over nearby, but everyone was safe. The truck must have thought this was a shortcut into the construction site. This December, drive safe, avoid speeding and drinking. What matters is arriving safely. Always keep a safe distance from ultra-heavy trucks. Any collision is never a fair fight. At junction turns, Always check carefully and clear your blind spots. Maybe the trailer wanted to try an independent adventure. A moment that startled both the bus and its passengers as a huge tree fell during the storm. When driving near trucks or containers, always keep a safe distance to avoid danger. An accident reminiscent of Final Destination, with the driver luckily suffering only minor injuries. The little wooden bridge just couldn't carry the giant truck. A breath-stopping moment as the truck crushed the car, yet the driver miraculously survived. The heavily loaded lorry lost control and got into trouble right in Pusaripati. While stopping at a red light, a large steel coil suddenly fell onto the truck's cabin. Definitely not the usual way to knock on the door.
Oh my God. Dad, get over here. Are you kidding? Why over there? He is headed.
A hard crash snapped the signal pole, dragging the road sign for the whole stretch. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.